Hello, my dear students. I hope you are preparing well for the postgraduate exam that you have to go through. And in continuing your efforts to help you go through the exam, the Conceptual Orthopaedic team is organizing PG teaching course with actual case presentation on 15th, 16th and 17th of November. This is an excellent opportunity to have experience of what you will probably undergo in your further upcoming exams, practical examination. You will have a variety of cases on 3 days and you will have the opportunity to clear your mistakes which you might make in actual examination. You will be presenting cases to people who are seasoned orthopedic surgeons who have been teachers as well as examiners at different levels of postgraduate examination. This is in continuing the effort of Conceptual Orthopaedic to provide a better generation, well-trained and a well-qualified orthopedic surgeons in the times to come. I hope you make the best use of this opportunity and come forward and participate and present cases at this event. It is with a lot of effort that this event is being organized and make the best use of it. Looking forward to seeing you at the course. Thank you.